Chapter number 20, Our Emotional World. Human nature has many different aspects. Aspects means a particular parts. Means human nature has particular part in himself. As you can find, sometimes person feel very angry, sometimes very loving, sometimes he is ready to forget and forgive easily. Sometimes a person feels jealous and sometimes he will act like selfish. Or you can find he is willing to sacrifice for others. And what he will do? He will come forward and help others. Anger, joy, sorrow, jealousy, disappointment, fear, etc. all are our emotions. Let's say coping with our emotions. As you all know, man is only able to think and he is also emotional. Man is only able to balance between thoughts and emotions. For example, if someone hurt us, what we will feel? We will feel sad. Means this is natural thing. Or next example, if someone is doing wrong thing, what will happen? We will get angry or we will lose our temper. This is also natural thing. But if we will think properly, we can able to control our emotions. Once we are able to control our emotions, what will happen? We can express our emotions with good manner. Anger is also an emotion. Like we feel happiness, sadness. Okay, happiness, sadness is also emotion and anger is also emotion. When we get angry, when some things does not happen according to our wishes, that time what we feel? We feel angry and what we think? This person insult me, insult us. Immediately we will get angry and what we will think? This person treat us very badly and that's why we get angry many times. We should control our anger. Why? Because it affects on our body and mind. If we will not control our angriness, what will happen? We will become short temper, means very angry person, and stubborn. Stubborn means, for example, if any kid want toys, what will he do? He will ask that toy frequently to their parents. Once our nature will being angry, what we will do? We will start hurting others and we will face many problems. For example, headache, loss of sleep and dullness. So that's why we should control our anger. Next, awareness of our own flaws. Flaws means defect or our capability. Sometimes you have heard that many children says my handwriting is beautiful, or some student says I am good at maths, or some children says I like science, or some says I like poetry. Means like and dislike. These are two capabilities having in children. And then slowly we come to know what we can do and what we cannot do. Means we will understand about our interest, in which subject we have interest. If we have interest in arts or sports, means these things we will come to know. We also must know our flaws. Flaws means our defect and also our talents to improve them. Just because we are unable to do something, it doesn't mean we should stop trying that things. Next, we can change. As you can see, some person are good in behavior and some are bad. And what quality person you will choose as a friend? You will choose a good quality friend at first. We must help each other to get rid of our flaws. Flaws means defect or any problem. What we have to do? We have to help each other to come out from any defect or any problem. For that, what we have to do? We have to speak about our flaws, our defect as openly as we speak about our talents. It will be advantage to us. Once we will come to know about our flaws, our defect, our problem, what will happen? We will try to correct them by ourselves. See, one example have given here. Neha talks the most in her group. Means Neha only talks in her group. She do not give chance to other friends. Her friends began to avoid her since they never got a chance to speak. So what they started? They started avoiding her. Okay, they started keeping distance between Neha and them. After some time, Neha realized this. Then what happened? She began to watch out how much she spoke. And she told her friends herself, "Stop me if I talk too much." Gradually, Neha began to listen to others and brought about a change in her own behavior. Means slowly she changed her behavior. Like Neha, we can also change our behavior, our nature, our flaws. For that, what we have to do? We have to try hard to change our nature, our behavior, our flaws. Otherwise, this particular aspects means this particular part of nature will be take shape of our defect in our personality. So, we can try to correct the flaws. We should try to correct our defects in our nature. Hope you understood our lesson. Thank you.